this video, we move to the next chapter for string in Lua programming. We will go through the chapters and also work together about some exercise in the end. So within the string, I have put in the mind map is about 5 different parts, starting from this basic one, and then we go to literal string, long string, color theme, and then most of the parts we will talking about the library for different method of the string or function. And the Unicode is just mentioned a little bit because I think that's depending on your PC, how you can handle the Unicode. That we may meet that in the special situation later on. So first, for most of the exercise, we just use our Lua command, the prompt. So you go to your command, then go to the Lua. So first we can see string in Lua are immutable value. So we cannot change the character inside our string. So like case A is 1 string, B equal to string get sub A 1 another. So this is change the string part. So for A, put into this D sub. So let's see, we have this one in the last. And then they start to search one here, then replaced by another. So B, you can see, is the another string. A is the one string. So you can print or you can just type A or B. This for the command, but if you are in the program, you need to use the program method. We can get the length of the string using the len. So, and denoted by this just a pound. So let's see. So pound A is just 10. Pound B is 14. So that's again is in the command. If you want to use the complete, so len A, then you get 10. So that's the same. And this 2 dot is the interesting or the easier way for Lua to connect to the strings. We will use this tactic in some of our exercise. So hello cat dot word. You get this hello world because you don't have the space. Then you it's just a connect, and then A, B, you can see one string, another string. So you can have this, then dot B. So you can connect multiple, depends on what you want to do. And you can connect A 10 times. These are the, not 10 times, it's just A with our integer, and this integer converted to the string, and you can connect to them. Let's see what this means. We cannot use time. In some other language, if you times 3, then that will duplicate, repeat 3 times. So we will see how that will be do. So 3 plus 5 is different from 3 connect with 5. So 3 plus 5 is 8. 3 dot 5 is 3, 5. But this is still the number. This is the string. So we can delimit literal string by single or double matching quotes. This is the double quotation mark. This is single quotation mark. So you can have this and you can mix them. Hello, nice word. Just if you see here, you can have this single quotation mark around nice, but you should not mix them. If you mix them, so you might see that is the undefined string near here, because here is already closed, and here is another word they cannot recognize, and also you can have some there's a special character like a equal to hello. Then I make that a. You hear that bell? You can try all these yourself. So we don't take time for that. And then the long string. The long string, you use this double. It is a quote. Or this content large code. Use this sample. So if I put here, so page equal to this, and you can consider, notice here the prompt is have for indent, then you can start to write down like it's the standard HTML, and I make this head, and then head, body, then you have close HTML, and you need to close that here. Then your page is exactly as what you write down here. And they also mention this what you will need to print this into your code. Then you can just add any number of equals between the two open brackets, and same as this equal number of those equal quotation in these closing brackets. Just ensure you keep these the same, and these are not appeared in your long string. So long string are the ideal format to include the literal text in our code, but we should not use them for non-text literal. For those situations, since version over escape, this Z, we don't have that. It skip all subsequent space character in the string until the first non-space character. The next example illustrates use this Z at the end of the first line, skip the following end of the line and the indent of the second. So let's see here, data equal to hello world. Then unfinished string. So what you need to do is data hello world. So now your data is here, and all the space and the indent is ignored. So this Z is quite interesting. So let's add this. Skip all subsequent space character in the string. until the first. So let's write down that. These will be later on used in one of our exercises, I hope. And crossing, the provide automatic conversion between number and string at running time. So any number operation applied to a string try to convert a string to a number. And Lua applies such coercions not only in arithmetic operation but also in other places that expect a number, such as the math sum. Conversely, whenever Lua finds a number where it expects a string, it converts the number to string. So this is interesting. So 10, if you want to connect to 20, because this dot dot are connected to strings, so you will get two strings. So they treat 10 is a string, 20 is another string. So they are not 10 plus 20. And if you put 10 is our string, and if you want to add that, it will convert to our number. So that is the automatically way, but you may need to have this. Let's add this. One is the to number. Here is a string, and the to string. Here is you get our number. So they just convert vice versa. So let's test to number. If you enter, here is our number. So we can put that. Let's have a look. Mass type is an integer. So it's from the string back to the integer. And then same as when they try to convert this number, they will read this string and to convert to the proper number. But this one is not a valid number. We exercised this during the last chapter. And this one is a valid number, and they will convert. And to number, by default, to number assume decimal notation, but we can specify any base between 2 and 36 for the conversion. So you convert this based on 2, this based on the 16, this based on let's see, so 5, 7. Based on, okay, 32. Based on 37. Let's see, so to number 32. 32 should be 32. It's a 114 for in the decimal, because that is the 3 times 32 plus 6, 114. So that's is the base. So we should add another one to number string base between 2 and 16. That is interesting the feature we can have to use. And we are coming to some library. So those library primarily is better you just repeat practice more and more, then you can familiar with that. But we can try to go through some of the key the point. First is this string REP. So when we say string REP is S time with times. So that is what I want to just try to do. Is like A is hello. I want to repeat 3 times. A is not like this way, but what we can do is string dot rep A3 3. Now I have a hello hello hello. So that's the first one. So with this number and the len we already got is string dot len A. So it's 7. It's hello with 2. Let me see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. The code is 7. So let me see. A equal to hello without this one. Yeah, that's 5. So I should add 2 space afterwards. And then string reverse. So reverse 1 is just to give the vice versa. So this function we will also use in the exercise. So we get this OLLH EH. So that we can have some idea. So reverse. And then the lower is get O in the lowercase, upper is get O the uppercase. This is similar in some other language as well. And you can also compare because they will compare that in the ask code. The code string sub is here. Is the first S is the string, and from the number I to the number J, the character inclusive. So you get this substring. So let me give you a try. So A equal to, in brackets. So A is in brackets, and we do this string sub. A is 2. Is 1, 2. Minus 2 is from here, 1, 2. So we go to the, it's the parentheses. So then we remove the first one, remove the last one. And if we go with the 1, 1, just pay attention, not like others language. The string is starting from index 1. So there is the bracket is the first, and we just get 1 character. And then if I want to get the last character, it's just minus 1. So that is the sub, the get. And then remember the string allure is immutable. Like any other function, string.sub does not change the value. So if I see A, it's still here. It's just we get this sub. But if I put this to B, then we can have a B without this bracket. But A still no change. A common mistake is to write something like string days and assume that it will modify the value. If we want to modify the value, we need to reassign this to the original value. But it will be safe. You create a new variable and to start to use that in your function without change, if not needed. The factor string.char also I should have our byte as well. convert between character and their internal numeric representation, like it's ASCII code. The function string char, so string dot char, let's see, A. Oh, that should give our number. So 97 is represent the A. So you get this and the string dot byte is the 97. So you convert that. So convert from char to the numeric value is using the string dot byte. Convert from this numeric representation value to our char. You use this string dot char. So I is 99 is the C, because 97 is A. So we can have this string char 97, 98, 99. Then this should give us ABCD. So that is what this statement is trying to do. A code like is string byte SIJ return multiple value. So ABC 1, 2. So let's also put that here. String dot byte ABC 1, 2. So they would give us the first A and second B. 97, 98 if we just want to have a 3. So, and if just want the B and C, so that's from 2 and 3. And if you go to the 1, -1, which create a list with the code of all character, all in X. So that is first, -1 is the last, 1 is the first. So that is just easier without you need to calculate the length. And then here, the function string format is the powerful tool that we can have more practice later on. But here is a directive is a percentage sign plus a number that tell how to format the argument. Percentage D for decimal, percentage X for hexadecimal, percentage F for floating, S for string. So that is the, let's try string format X equal to percentage D, Y equal to percentage D, 10, 20. Then we go to this X equal to 10 and Y equal to D, 20, that in decimal. But if I change this to our float, F, you can see they display that into our float. Second one is we want to show that in the hexadecimal. So string dot format X equal to X 200 to X of decimal. But if you use just D, they just show you the 200. So that is the way is you control the format. And if you control that is 0x, then you can show that it's the 0xCX, because that normally is the better way to let people know there is this hexadecimal. And then the F we already talked, and here you can make some more the format. You can define this, or you can put that tag just the H1 inside. That's also same. And then pi is you can get some this include some other option to control the detail of the formatting, such as the number of the decimal digits. So string.format pi equal to, let's say I want 15 digit mass.pi. Then it's give you this long, and you have the D is the 02 is the date. We have the 2 digit, and month is 2 digit, and year is 4 digit. So we can precisely control these numbers. And here is we can also do some find. So string, let's see A is let's see what's our A in bracket. Let's do the string find A. I want to find this the BR. Then they gave you the BR is the here is from the 7 in return the initial and the final position. So B is in number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, you need to count and break the space. R is the number 6. And if you want to find something not exist, then it's new. And this is very important. This that is the replace. So G sub is hello world. They will find all the matched thing. Like if you just want to find L, they will replace L to what you want to replace. G sub. Let's replace this here for the A. Change to this so that you can see that clearly. Then they will give you this bracket. Now change to this hyphen hyphen hyphen, and they here is they found the 1 match. So this L is found the 3 match, and the 3L change to the dot. So that is the interesting the library. I will skip on this Unicode, so you can try from your locale. And let's stop here. Next video, we will pick up some exercise and make some coding together. See you then.